In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up recurring statements for customers in QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you send invoices and you want customers to receive consistent professional reminders, recurring statements can save you a lot of manual work. Today, we will focus on the setup steps so you can create statements for selected customers and choose the format that matches how you want balances presented. To begin, open your QuickBooks Online Advanced dashboard. Next, go to the Sales area or use the Invoices area if that is how your navigation is organized. From there, select Customers. This is where QuickBooks lists your customer records, and it is also where statement options are typically managed. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right section, because the statement tools are tied to the customer context. Once you are on the Customers page, look for the options that control sending and batching statements. Click the Send Reminders or Batch Actions drop-down. If you do not see those exact options in your view, you can use an alternative path that is also available in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Select New Transaction, then choose Statement. Either route gets you to the statement creation workflow, so follow whichever option you see on your screen. Now that you are in the statement workflow, the next step is to select the customers you want to include. Click and choose the customers that should receive the statement. This is an important part of the process because it determines who will be contacted. If you have many customers, you may need to scroll to find the right list. When you finish selecting, pause for a moment and verify you included all customers you intended to include, since it is easier to review at this stage than to redo after creation. After you confirm the customer selection, click Create Statement. This action will open the choices for the statement format. When the type options appear, you will be able to choose the statement type that matches your business needs. QuickBooks Online Advanced typically gives you several statement formats including balance forward, open item, or transaction statement. Choosing the correct type helps ensure customers understand how their account information is presented. Spend a few seconds thinking about what each statement type means in practice. A balance forward statement usually summarizes the balance and carries it forward, which is helpful when you want a simple account-level view. An open item statement often shows outstanding items, which can be useful when you want customers to see which specific invoices or transactions are still unpaid. A transaction statement generally focuses on individual transaction details, which can help customers reconcile their records. As you choose, consider what level of detail your customers expect. Then make your selection in the Statement Type menu. Once you have selected the statement type, you are ready to finalize the creation. The next step is to save what you have set up. Click Save to store the statement settings in QuickBooks. This is the moment that confirms the configuration and ensures your work is not lost. After saving, you can typically return to the statement area to review results or make adjustments if needed. That is all there is to it. If you follow these steps consistently, you will be able to generate customer statements with the right format and send them in a repeatable way directly within QuickBooks Online Advanced. That covers everything you need to know.